If you're an artist who's looking to make money while you sleep and literally wake up to "you made a sale" emails, then you're in the right spot, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly which digital products artists are selling online that actually bring in passive income. And these are products that you'll invest time into making once, upload, and they'll sell over and over again. And some of these products are super simple to make while others are a little bit more advanced, but all of them are backed by 2025 trend reports and data, because if you've been around here at all a while, you know that I love data and details. So I'm going to also be sharing my research as well as some of my experience here with you all. Hi, my name is Sterling and I'm the artist here behind Cactus Lady Creation. And on this channel, I share my journey of creating art, inspiration, and my insights here with you all. So make sure that you're subscribed and click that bell if you want to be notified of future videos so you don't miss out. And if you've never made a digital product before in your life and you're wondering, Sterling, how am I going to do that? Well, don't worry, because I'm also going to be sharing a tool that makes the design part really simple and actually pretty fun to do. All right, well, let's get started. The first product that is great to make and sell in 2025 is printable wall art and clip art. The global wall art market, according to business research company, was valued at 55.6 billion USD in 2024 and is projected to reach nearly 59.5 billion USD in 2025, growing 7% year over year. Also, according to Growing Your Craft, printable art and clip art remain among the top selling digital categories, with creators reporting consistent passive sales from themed packs like botanical, motivational, and abstract art. And what I love about this product is that your customers will receive instant delivery, so you don't have to hold inventory or ship anything when you make a sale. Also, people love seasonal and style refreshable designs, so that is nice to keep in mind. And another great thing about this product is that it's low effort for high volume. So once your designs are up, they can continue to sell indefinitely. And if you're wondering how you can create wall art, for example, maybe you draw or are a painter and you're wondering how can you take that beautiful scan of your work or that photo of your art and turn it into digital printable wall art? Well, you're gonna love the sponsor of this video, which is Kittl. Kittl makes it super easy to design high quality digital art, whether it's printable wall art, planners, stickers, social media templates for your posts, and even branding kits. And I love their selection of templates and how customizable they are, and their fonts are gorgeous. And I also love how you can create stunning professional grade designs without any design experience at all. So if you felt stuck trying to make something that looks polished, then you should give Kittl a try. I have a link below in the description box where you can get started for free, and you can also use my code CACTUSYT for 25% off of your first month on all paid plans. Another great product to make are Procreate brushes. Procreate remains one of the world's most used digital art apps for iPad, with custom brushes in high demand. And some creators have even sold thousands of brush packs on their Etsy. This is a great product to explore because once you create the brush set, your work is done and it can be bundled with other offerings as well, or created as an upsell product offering in your online shop. And I know that I'm a big fan of using this next product idea because I love to stay organized, and it is templates, which includes items like planners, social media kits, Notion templates, and resumes. The digital templates market was ranked in the top 3 fastest growing digital product types on Shopify and BSS Commerce as of 2025. And many creators also will make minor tweaks on their templates by just changing the seasonal themes and color variations a bit, which doubles revenue compared to single listings, which is really great. The reason why this is a hit is because customers want polished layouts without having to build them out from scratch. And so with this one, it's really good to focus on having a niche as well and really lean into it. For example, if you're making templates for teachers or small business owners, or maybe you can focus on making resumes and CVs. This way you can customize your templates to specifically suit your client's needs. And I go into this a bit in my video, how to recession-proof your handmade business. I could also make a specific video on niching down as well, if that's something that you'd like to see. Let me know in the comments below. Another great product to make and sell that sells in your sleep are eBooks and art how-to guides. They're simple to make, globally distributable, and they sell indefinitely, which we love around here. And these days, people are seeking niche knowledge more and more. For example, watercolor basics or Adobe shortcuts or whatever your artistic medium is. And the great thing about this product is that you can provide immediate value to learners in your specific niche. And you can also have upsells from that ebook to a course or a workshop that you might offer. I also really love this next product because I feel like it's a bit overlooked, or at least I overlooked it at first, and it is phone and desktop wallpaper. Sellfy lists phone and desktop wallpaper packs among the top selling easy entry digital items in 2025. And this is because they're affordable, popular impulse buys, and they usually are priced around $2 to $5 USD. They can also take off across evergreen and seasonal themes, and you can bundle them as holiday or aesthetic or niche themed wallpaper sets. And this will tap into repeat sales from customers that are looking to refresh their digital space. And this particular product is great for exploring different trends. Now, if you're a videographer, you might like this next product idea, which are LUTs. The global digital content creation market size was estimated at 32 billion USD and is projected to reach 69 billion USD by 2030, according to Grand View Research. And many content creators love LUTs to help with getting our content to look great without having to do a lot of color grading. And LUT presets help our content look more cinematic as well. And they're also great for weddings and all kinds of footage. So if you can make them, that would be a great product to tap into. Create them once and you'll be able to continuously make sales on that product in your sleep. And the great thing is also that you can create a whole bunch of these and you can sell them as bundles as well. Another great product to make as an artist that sells in your sleep are mini courses and workshops. Both BSS Commerce and Easy Course rank mini courses and tutorials among the top digital products in 2025, with sellers reporting earning 2,000 USD a month or more by offering short courses teaching their specific skill. And the online education market is booming right now and projected to reach 341 billion USD in 2025. So this is a great offering to have because there are limitless ways to deliver your course. You can have PDFs, slides, or videos, or all of the above. However, is the best way to share your information with your customers and clients. So there are limitless ways to explore this offering and share your knowledge and your skills with your growing community. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my insights on these products to make that sell in your sleep. And as a thank you for joining me until the end, I have a few freebies below for you, including the Off Social Media Artist Growth Guide if you're wanting to grow your business in a more organic way. There's also the guide to launching your online art business, which is great if you're just getting started and you're wanting some help with brainstorming exactly what to do. And the Social Media Marketing 101 for Creatives checklist is also great if you're wanting to take your social media platforms to the next level. When you sign up for any and all of these freebies, you'll also be added to my newsletter where I send out more occasional insights, as well as notifications about my upcoming personal coaching sessions, which I'm really excited to be launching very soon. So make sure that you stay tuned for that if you're interested. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll join me in the next one.